What's up everybody, John W. Loudermilk here with another review video. I generally review products that I really love, so this is definitely one of them. Today we're going to be talking about guitar stand Hercules GS200B. Let's check it out. So let's unbox this. First of all, this stand fits in my guitar case, which is amazing. Fits in my case. I don't have to worry about it. You know, it's always there. So we got this. Let's see what else we got in the box. And looks like it comes with a paper, and that's it. Just simple box. It claims to hold up to 22 pounds, but I think it may hold more. It just depends on what you're putting in there. We're going to put it to the test today. So let's get that out of the way, and let me show you this. This is neat. It folds up nicely. You pull it, and then you pull it apart. Alright, now that you can see that it's set up, let's try just a standard acoustic. Okay. No problem. No problem at all. And you can see that it's very sturdy. Very sturdy. It's not going to be easy to knock over unless I just knocked it over. But especially going back, and it leans back a little, you're not going to just knock it over. So that's really nice. We'll do it from the front side too. And it does nicely. It holds up nicely. That's not going anywhere. I'd say it's more sturdy than, or as sturdy as one of the tripod stands, just a regular style. Alright, so this thing holds regular guitars really well, but
let's just get a little crazy with it. What do you say?
How about banjo? Let's give that a try. And actually, it holds a banjo really well. So that works really well, just like you would expect it to for an electric guitar. Nice. Okay. Let's just see what we can throw at it. Alright, here's a Fender Telly. That's just standard, easy, no problem. But what about a bass guitar? Let's give that a try, just to get crazy with it. Alright, now here is a quite heavy, full-size Fender bass. Let's see if it holds that. Okay, it will hold. It will hold, but I don't feel great about it. It'll hold, it'll work, but I would not recommend. At least not for this style. So there you have it. The Hercules guitar stand works amazing on guitars, whether it's acoustic, electric, even banjos, even a bass. It'll hold it. I don't recommend it for the bass. It was just a little bit tall. Wanted to tip a little, but it'll work. And the great thing about it is it fits in a case. Now, it does have rubber on the bottom, so it'll stick to a hard floor pretty well and not slide around. It also looks like it's lined with rubber around all the parts that touches the guitar, so it won't nick up your guitar. And I love how small it folds up. Perfect. I would highly recommend this stand. I am not affiliated with this company. I just really like this product. Again, my name is John W. Loudermilk, and go and check out my website, my studio, Mountaineer Christian Studios, or MC Studios for short. I also created a website with guitar lessons and songwriting lessons, and I hope you check it out. And always remember, never give up, and never stop learning.